Hello everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we venture into the wildest, most mind-bending corners of the universe. Today, we're tackling a chilling, almost unthinkable question. What would it feel like to die on Venus and Neptune, two of the solar system's most extreme and unforgiving worlds? Buckle up, space explorers, because this journey is going to be a heart-pounding, jaw-dropping ride through environments so hostile they make Earth's worst disasters look like a walk in the park. Let's start with Venus, often called Earth's evil twin, a planet that's a scorching, crushing nightmare wrapped in a toxic blanket. Imagine you're an astronaut in a state-of-the-art spacesuit, your heart racing as your spaceship descends through Venus's thick, yellowish-orange clouds, where lightning cracks like a whip through swirling mists of sulfuric acid. The hull glows red-hot from friction, and your sensors are already screaming warnings about the extreme conditions outside. As you break through the clouds, you see the surface below, a barren, cracked basalt plain, glowing with rivers of molten lava, stretching toward jagged volcanic mountains under a hazy, oppressive orange sky. You land with a thud, the ground sizzling at a blistering 460 degrees Celsius shot, enough to melt lead or zinc in seconds. Stepping out, your suit's reflective coating struggles against the heat, and the air, 92 times denser than Earth's, presses down like you're submerged 900 meters underwater, making every movement a battle. Within moments, your suit begins to falter, tiny cracks forming in the visor as the atmospheric pressure equivalent to an ocean's crushing depths starts to compress it. Sulfuric acid rain pelts down, sizzling as it hits the ground in your suit, corroding the material with a hiss. You stumble forward, sweat pouring down your face, your skin reddening as the heat seeps through the breaches. The air is 96.5% carbon dioxide, with no breathable oxygen. So even a small leak in your suit lets in toxic fumes that burn your lungs and sting your eyes. You clutch your chest, gasping as the pressure intensifies, collapsing your ribcage and snapping bones like twigs. The heat chars your flesh, blistering and boiling it in an instant, while acid eats away at exposed skin, turning it to a bubbling mess. In mere seconds, you collapse, screaming in agony as the combined forces of heat, pressure, and acid overwhelm you. Your body is incinerated, reduced to ash, and the lava creeps over what's left, swallowing your remains into a glowing, molten tide. The ground cracks further, and a nearby volcano erupts, spewing ash and molten rock into the sky, painting it a fiery red-orange. Acid rain continues to fall, carving grooves into the blackened rocks and dissolving the last fragments of your suit. The sky churns with toxic clouds, and the landscape stretches endlessly barren, scorched, and merciless. Volcanoes roar in the distance, their ash clouds rolling across the plains, burying any trace of you. Lava rivers surge, steaming where acid meets molten rock, and the air grows thicker with toxic vapor. The crater where you fell fills with bubbling lava, a final testament to Venus's unrelenting wrath. This is a world where survival is impossible, where every element conspires to crush, burn, and dissolve you in an instant. Now, let's shift to Neptune, the distant ice giant, where the horrors are entirely different but no less deadly. Picture your spaceship approaching this massive planet, its deep blue and purple bands swirling with storms, the great dark spot looming like a cosmic maelstrom. As you enter the atmosphere, the craft shudders, ice particles pelting the hull at -200 degrees Celsius. The ship breaks apart, ejecting you into a chaotic void of hydrogen, helium, and methane, where there's no solid ground to catch you. You're tumbling through Neptune's upper atmosphere, battered by winds reaching 400 kilometers per hour, the fastest in the solar system, shredding your suit like paper in a hurricane. Ice crystals slash at you, frosting your visor and turning your limbs numb with hypothermia. Your skin turns blue, lips cracking as the cold seeps in, freezing your blood in seconds. A tear in your suit lets in toxic gases, and you choke, suffocating in the oxygenless air, your eyes bulging as methane irritates your system. You plummet deeper, the atmosphere darkening to a sickly purple-green, where pressures climb to millions of times. Earth's compressing your body into a dense, mangled lump. Lightning strikes, charring your suit in a blinding flash, and you spiral toward the planet's core, where temperatures soar to 50 degrees Celsius in a surreal ocean of metallic hydrogen. Your remains vaporize, leaving only a faint trail of ash in the liquid void. The storms rage on, massive vortices of blue-green clouds swirling with lightning, while ice particles glitter in the freezing upper layers. Deeper down, the atmosphere glows with eerie, pressure-induced light, and the metallic hydrogen sea churns with turbulent waves, reflecting the core's searing glow. The core itself pulses like a distant star, surrounded by a shimmering, silver-blue liquid that defies comprehension. Neptune's infinite depths stretch in all directions, a turbulent, frozen abyss that swallows all traces of you. This is a planet of chaos, where supersonic winds, crushing pressures, and extreme cold make death a swift but terrifying plunge into oblivion. Venus and Neptune, two worlds, two nightmares, each a stark reminder of humanity's fragility in the cosmos. Venus is a fiery furnace that crushes and burns you in seconds, while Neptune is a frozen, stormy void that tears you apart and compresses you into nothing. Yet, there's a strange beauty in their brutality, a testament to the universe's raw power. Could we ever survive these worlds with future technology? What other deadly planets should we explore next? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing from you. If this journey blew your mind, hit that like button to show some love. Share this video with your fellow space nerds, and subscribe to our channel for more epic cosmic adventures.